Hello everyone! In this lesson, we'll talk about Croatian greetings. So here are some of most common greetings used in Croatia. They all replace hi or hello. Bok. Bok. Hi, bok. It is used in central Croatia. Bok. Or you can see it written as bog somewhere, but it has the same meaning. Zdravo. Zdravo. Pozdrav. Pozdrav. Ćao. Ćao. Hey. Hey. Just like in English. Hey, hello, hi. It really depends in which region of Croatia you are. But no matter which greeting you choose to use, locals will understand you, so you can't go wrong. These greetings are great because they can be used in any time of the day, and they can be used at the start and at the end of conversation. However, these greetings are kind of informal, so you want to use them with your friends and family, basically with people you know. You can use it to meet someone for the first time, like when you have like friendly environment, like in a club, you can say hi, hello, and introduce yourself. But if you want to be more formal, just like in English language, we'll use good morning, good day, and good evening. So it sounds like this. Dobro jutro. Dobro jutro. Dobar dan. Dobar dan. Dobra večer. Dobra večer. And you want to end your conversation with goodbye. Doviđenja. Doviđenja. So one more time. Dobro jutro. Dobar dan. Dobra večer. Doviđenja. So good luck with greetings and doviđenja.